American Ninja Warrior Season 5. The fifth season of American Ninja Warrior premiered on G4 on June 30, 2013, with subsequent shows airing on both G4 and NBC. Host Matt Iseman returned for his fifth season, while newcomers Akbar, Gbaja-Biamila, and Jenn replaced skier Jonny, Moseley, and Angela's son. Similar to previous seasons, the winner receives $500,000 and the coveted title, American Ninja Warrior. This also marks the second season Mount Midoriyama was held on U.S. soil. Qualifying. Tryouts for the fifth season of American Ninja Warrior commenced in February 2013 and took place in the following cities, determined the 100 competitors to move on to Vegas and compete in the other stages: Venice Beach, CA, Baltimore, MD, Miami, FL, and Denver, Company. The last of the regional rounds concluded in May 2013. Notable competitors: Tennessee Titans safety Jordan Babineau, personal trainer / former American Gladiator Venom Beth Horn, world champion freerunner Tim Livewire Sheaf, Harlem Globetrotter Bull Ballard, Artix Adam Bone from the video game studio Artix Entertainment, Olympic gold medalist runners D.D. Trotter and Lauren Williams, Olympic silver medalist heptathlon athlete Hylias Fountain, Olympic silver medalist gymnast Taryn Humphrey, former professional snowboarder Graham Watanabe, professional MMA fighter Jason Soares, professional UFC MMA fighter and The Ultimate Fighter Season 14 winner John Dodson, former NFL player Sean Merriman Baltimore, MD qualifying. Notable achievements. No one defeated Stage 3, but Brian Arnold fell on the last obstacle, the flying bar, making him the farthest-going American on the Mount Midoriyama course since Kane Kasugi reached the final stage on Sasuke 8. He also made it farther than any competitor in American Ninja Warrior history, surpassing Brent Stephenson, who failed on the hang climb in Stage 3 the previous season, which remained a record until Jeff Britton and Isaac Caldero both completed Stage 3 in Season 7. Women's success. This was the first season where women attempted the warped wall obstacle #6 of a course. Ika McIlroy made it to the warped wall in the Denver qualifying course. Jessie Graff fell in the flying nunchucks obstacle #5 during Venice qualifying but advanced in 30th position and reached the warped wall of the Venice finals. Both were unable to get up the wall in the 3 attempts given. Mount Midoriyama. The competitor cleared that stage. The competitor is female. The competitor ran out of time on the obstacle. The competitor was chosen as wildcard. Stage 1. Stage 1 featured 3 new obstacles: the timbers, the giant cycle, and the rope glider. Stage 2. Stage 2 featured 1 new obstacle: the hang slider. Stage 3. Notes: Joe Moravsky made history by setting the farthest mark from a rookie performance. Brian Arnold was the last man standing. Ratings. References